hair up here, but it's not bad. So what I normally use, you can use like air filter cleaner, but I don't like using that because you had to use water, and I don't like using water slide. So my dad's friend taught me to use kerosene. That's what we're gonna do. So you're gonna first take your air filter out of your cage, and then you wanna oh gosh, one of these dumb government hands. You want to just stretch it all in this, like kind of like that. Some drips like that. And you want to make sure you got gloves on. And then you're just gonna just squeeze. You don't want to like wring it or anything, because then if you do that, then you'll tear it. And you can tell this one wasn't that bad, but I've been taught to clean it after every ride. So, and I'm not wringing, I'm just squeezing it. Probably make sure to cover that up so your dad or whoever doesn't get mad at you. Putting it in there. But I'm gonna do it over here because we have a dog, so he won't get it. I guess we just want to do this until it's pretty dry. This one didn't need done. It's been still pretty wet out, so it hasn't been dusty. It didn't need done. But yeah. And you should let it completely dry. And then you want to let it dry out in the sun for like a day until it's completely dry. So here, I'm gonna put it back in the cage actually, and then I'm gonna go put it up to let it dry.